Put on the table. Put को ठाउँमा keep पनि राख्न सकिन्छ. Keep on the table. Table मा राख. Put on the table or keep on the table. Table मा राख. Keep this matter secret. Keep this matter secret. यो कुरा गोप्य राख. Keep this matter secret. यो कुरा गोप्य राख. Why are you here? Why are you here? तिमी यहाँ किन? Why are you here? तिमी यहाँ किन? What brings you here? What brings you here? के कति कारणले यहाँ आउनु भयो? What brings you here? के कति कारणले यहाँ आउनु भयो? Why is he here? Why is he here? ऊ यहाँ किन? ऊ यहाँ किन? Why is he here? Why are they here? Why are they here? उनीहरू यहाँ किन? उनीहरू यहाँ किन? Why are they here? Don't make me laugh. Don't make me laugh. मलाई नहसाऊ. मलाई नहसाऊ. Don't make me laugh. Make her laugh. Make her laugh. उनलाई हसाऊ. उनलाई हसाऊ. Make her laugh. Don't make her weep. Don't make her weep. उनलाई नरुवाऊ. उनलाई नरुवाऊ. Don't make her weep. Don't make them laugh. Don't make them laugh. उनीहरूलाई नहसाऊ. उनीहरूलाई नहसाऊ. Don't make them laugh. Make me learn. Make me learn. मलाई सिकाऊ. मलाई सिकाऊ. Make me learn. Make her speak. Make her speak. उनलाई बोल्न लगाऊ. उनलाई बोल्न लगाऊ. Make her speak. Make him cook. Make him cook. उसलाई पकाउन लगाऊ. उसलाई पकाउन लगाऊ. Make him cook. Make him cook. Make her dance. Make her dance. उनलाई नचाऊ. Make her dance. Make a call. Make a call. फोन गर. Make a call. फोन गर. Make a call. Make him repair it. Make him repair it. Make him repair it. उसलाई यो मर्मत गर्न लगाऊ. उसलाई यो मर्मत गर्न लगाऊ. Make him repair it. Get your hair cut. Get your hair cut or make your hair cut. Get your hair cut or make your hair cut. आफ्नो कपाल कटाऊ. आफ्नो कपाल कटाऊ. Get your hair cut or make your hair cut. Get your house painted. Get your house painted. घरमा रङ लगाउन लगाऊ. घरमा रङ लगाउन लगाऊ. Get your house painted. Get your house painted. Polish your shoes. Polish your shoes. जुत्तामा पोलिस लगाऊ. जुत्तामा पोलिस लगाऊ. Polish your shoes. Polish your shoes. Get your shoes polished. Get your shoes polished. जुत्तामा पोलिस लगाउन लगाऊ. जुत्तामा पोलिस लगाउन लगाऊ. Get your shoes polished. Get your bike washed. Get your bike washed. आफ्नो बाइक धुन लगाऊ. आफ्नो बाइक धुन लगाऊ. Get your bike washed. Get your mobile repaired. Get your mobile repaired. आफ्नो मोबाइल मर्मत गराऊ. आफ्नो मोबाइल मर्मत गराऊ. Get your mobile repaired. Get your shirt ironed. Get your shirt ironed. आफ्नो सर्टमा आइरन लगाउन लगाऊ. आफ्नो सर्टमा आइरन लगाउन लगाऊ. Get your shirt ironed. Make him drive or get him to drive. Make him drive or get him to drive. उसलाई गाडी हाँक्न लगाऊ. उसलाई गाडी हाँक्न लगाऊ. Make him drive or get him to drive. Whom to call? Whom to call? कसलाई बोलाउने? Whom to call? Whom to meet? Whom to meet? कसलाई भेट्ने? Whom to meet? Whom to give? Whom to give? कसलाई दिने? Whom to give? With whom to talk? With whom to talk? Or who to talk to? Who to talk to? कोसँग बोल्ने? कोसँग बोल्ने? With whom to talk? Or who to talk to? With whom to go? With whom to go? कोसँग जाने? With whom to go? With whom to speak? With whom to speak? कोसँग बोल्ने? With whom to speak? Pour water. Pour water. पानी खन्याऊ. Pour water. Pour water into the glass. Pour water into the glass. ग्लासमा पानी खन्याऊ. ग्लासमा पानी खन्याऊ. Pour water into the glass. Pour tea in the cup. Pour tea in the cup. कपमा चिया हाल. कपमा चिया हाल. Pour tea in the cup. Pour milk in the glass. Pour milk in the glass. ग्लासमा दूध हाल. ग्लासमा दूध हाल. Pour milk in the glass. Call the guests. Call the guests. पाहुनाहरूलाई बोलाऊ. Call the guests. Call the guest in. Call the guests in. पाहुनाहरूलाई भित्र बोलाऊ. पाहुनाहरूलाई भित्र बोलाऊ. Call the guests in. Try your best. Try your best. आफ्नो सक्दो प्रयास गर. आफ्नो सक्दो प्रयास गर. Try your best. Give your best in everything. Give your best in everything. सबै कुरामा आफ्नो उत्कृष्ट दिनुस्. यहाँ स भएछ, उत बनाउनु होला. सबै कुरामा आफ्नो उत्कृष्ट दिनुहोस्. सबै कुरामा आफ्नो उत्कृष्ट दिनुस्. Give your best in everything. Show your talent. आफ्नो प्रतिभा देखाओ. Show your talent. Don't hide your talent. Don't hide your talent. आफ्नो प्रतिभा नलुकाओ. आफ्नो प्रतिभा नलुकाओ. Don't hide your talent. Give that to me. Give that to me. त्यो मलाई देऊ. त्यो मलाई देऊ. Give that to me. Give me your mobile. Give me your mobile. मलाई तिम्रो मोबाइल देऊ. मलाई तिम्रो मोबाइल देऊ. Give me your mobile. Try to solve it. Try to solve it. यो समाधान गर्ने प्रयास गर. यो समाधान गर्ने प्रयास गर. Try to solve it. Don't run away from the problem. Don't run away from the problem. समस्याबाट नभाग. समस्याबाट नभाग. Don't run away from the problem. Keep mum. Keep mum or keep silent or keep quiet. तीनटा मध्ये जुन भने पनि हुन्छ. Keep mum, keep silent, keep quiet. चुप लाग वा शान्त हौ. चुप लाग वा शान्त हौ. Keep mum or keep silent or keep quiet. Listen to me. Listen to me. मेरो कुरा सुन. Listen to me. Pay attention. ध्यान देऊ. Pay attention. Have patience. Have patience. धैर्य राख. धैर्य राख. Have patience. Listen to them. Listen to them. उनीहरूको कुरा सुन. Listen to them. Listen attentively. Listen attentively. ध्यान दिएर सुन. ध्यान दिएर सुन. Listen attentively.